Getting us an early start on Monday morning. Of course, guess what? It is raining again on us. Trying to get his dock leveled up, get the rest of the X-bracing on, get a little kayak launch installed on the side over here. As soon as it all gets done and wrapped up, I'll get some final pictures, show you the final product. Got us another rain delay. Love this Florida sunshiny weather.
Stopping.
Yeah, it looked like that was like it, the last front, hopefully. Unless one pops up again.
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do.
Alexa, play Baby Shark.
Here are the galvanized bolts that we removed from the pilings. You see they completely, or just about rusted all the way too. We changed those out to 1/2 inch Type 3/16 stainless steel through rods with square washers on them. Should get a long life expectancy out of those. Got this project all wrapped up, just a little bit of cleaning up of the tools, but got it nice and secure where he should have plenty more years of good usage out of this dock. Completing this project today, you can see we flipped over some of the old deck boards that were in really bad shape, and the ones that were in too bad a shape, went ahead and put new deck boards down. Put a new side 2x2 trim on the edge also. All new cross ties on the dock, as you can see, and diagonal braces. Salt treated lumber, so it's not going to rot away again. But all stainless steel hardware. This little upgrade on the dock, what we also like to call preventative maintenance, will give him many more years of enjoyment out of this dock. We installed a lower through flow deck for easy kayak access or swim platform. All right, Nate, what address are you going to put on that mailbox? So what address are you going to put on that mailbox you're building? Hey guys, thanks for watching the video of the repair and upgrade to this dock. Please subscribe to my channel for all future projects. We got some neat ones coming up. Have a good day.